Hi everyone, in front of me I've got DOOGEE T20 and let me share with you how to enable the night light or eye comfort mode. So we will start with the customization and after that I'll show you much faster access to it. So let's open the settings and then let's find the display. Now we have to find the eye comfort. So basically we can turn it on just by tapping on the switcher, and as you can see the screen turns a little bit yellowish or maybe even amber, and it is in order to filter the blue light. What's more, it will be much easier for you to look at the screen at the dim light. So if you're a night owl, if you like to use your device at night, then this mode is totally for you. Your eyes will thank you. So let's enter, just tap on this option. And as you can see, we've got the switcher, thanks to which we can change the intensity. Right now, it is set on the coolest option, so on the left. And by going to the right, we can make it warmer. I would not say it is almost orange, but you can clearly see that it is more yellow. Of course, set it just like you want to, which option is most comfortable for you. You can schedule that feature also, because right now we are using the none option, which simply means that we have to manually turn on and off this mode, but we can turn it on at custom time or from sunset to sunrise. After picking the custom time, you will be able to pick the start and the end time, and the sunset to sunrise. It basically means that your device will automatically decide when the sunsets and sunrises are, and what? I believe they are network-based or location-based. I prefer to use this none option. Let me turn it on. So basically, this is the whole customization of this feature in this device. And as I said, I can show you much faster access to it, so you do not have to enter the settings every time you want to turn on the eye comfort. Just unroll the top bar and unroll it fully to open those icons, let's say, and here we have to swipe in order to find eye comfort. Right now it is obviously turned on. If you want to turn it off, just tap on it, and the same situation if you want to turn it on. Alright, so basically that's all. This is how to enable the night light or eye comfort mode in your DOOGEE T20. Thank you so much for watching. I hope that this video was helpful, and if it was, please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.